Hey friends, welcome back to my life. My name is Mauricia. If you don't know, now you know. And by today's title, you already know what we about to get into. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to you, girl, because it doesn't hurt you. And today we have Rami. So we got hubby on the side. If y'all already know, y'all already know. This man don't really care about being on social media like that, so I respect his boundaries. But yeah, y'all, we're about to have a family day. First, we're gonna go pick up an HEB order, and then we're gonna go to Family Dollar to pick up some paints and stuff like that. And then y'all gonna just watch us paint. This is a simple daily vlog, kinda. Yeah, so it's a family vlog. And yeah, as y'all see, your girl threw on her head wrap because it's just that season. Like, alright, see y'all.
I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
Real rich nigga, my ashtray made by potatoes. I done already lived low. I was waiting on my glow. I was waiting on you to call me and tell me you coming back home.
Why is he smiling like
I
that?
was waiting on APM.
I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
You should get a refund on your camera. You should get a deal, a camera deal. Are your cameras? No, I don't know refunds.
You gonna paint those ones?
He's like, I just want to go home and sleep. I'll play with my toys. Oh, he said okay. See, he knows what I'm talking about. He knows what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
He can feel me like, yeah, I'm gonna play with my toys. Yeah. If my daddy lets me, my mom lets me. I hope you don't go nowhere else. Just go home, just home.
Have a nice day. Oh. Do you want to paint outside? Like we go to the park or something? We go home, put the food up, and then paint outside. Come on, Ramis.
No, I go this way.
Ramis, come on. Listen, please. Get in. But yeah, y'all, I didn't know what to do in those situations. I don't know what to do. Alright, y'all. So as you guys saw, that we only got a few items. We already got paintbrushes at home, and something told me to not use all that water paint for them. And I was like, hey, we might as well use this water paint because, you know, we're gonna move soon, so we don't need all this extra crap. Oh my gosh, you guys can't even see. I don't know if y'all saw, but we are in Wally Mart. Huh?
In the middle of the junk, she pulling that out to try the shirt on. In the middle of the entrance of Walmart, trying the shirt on. That's crazy.
That's really rude.
What's rude?
Huh?
What's rude?
Her. That was rude. That's what I'm saying.
Crazy.
I need to learn how to vlog like this. Dang, you see that forehead? That forehead gleaming. Ooh, it says coconut, citrus, amber. Oh my gosh, this smells really good. Are you getting him one of those?
Yeah, what's Tay want? Yeah, what's Tay?
Ooh, what about Black Panther?
No! Oh, where did you at?
He loved dinosaurs, y'all. Oh, Oh, wow. You got a friend. What's his name? His name is Glanga?
Yeah, I name is Glanga.
The only thing about, I don't mind having his hair out
Wow,
in an afro.
seat.
But it's like when he in the car seat, his hair get flat. Nothing I can do about that.
Color.
What about the snow?
Yes, I'm walking with you, Mama.
I don't know, man. Oh, they got a whole little set. Is this like acrylic?
She did it.
Oh. Somebody was already trying to take it out. Hold on, Pooh. This one you got all the colors in. I don't know. Oh, babe, they have a little set for $9 though.
No.
Good job, buddy.
No, all right, we already got paint. Then let's go. All right, y'all. So this is what we are going to be painting tonight. Instead, we're gonna be. You can't really see on here, but you see the light color up here. We're gonna be doing that blue in the sky, purple. I knew we needed white because you know you can mix white with different colors. Like you already saw, there was no white. It was like this washable white. Now, Ramis had to lay down early because yeah, it's too late for him to be up. Hold on, y'all. How do you wash paintbrushes? Yo, the whole time we had a paint. What is this called again?
Paint tray.
A paint tray. Well, it says it's on here. Plastic palette top. But whatever. It is what it is. I am excited. This should be fun. I don't know, y'all. I'm not really good at like painting, but should we do like 2 different things or we should do the same thing? Oof, child. All right, y'all. I already say this. So this is our little setup. Ooh. It's okay. I like it.
So get it all filled in, nice solid white, and we're going to be doing some wet on wet blending again. So we don't want to take any breaks when it comes to this white dry. We want to keep this white nice and wet. So make sure that all of the spots in the sky are nice and covered in a nice wet white circle. Okay, to do the shape.
Show me why you're crying, how can it big deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were done.
Yo, so this is the finished look. Guess whose is whose? Guess which one is mine? And guess which one is Darren's? What do you guys think? If you guys like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to your, because it doesn't hurt you. Hold on, let me be ahead of. Oh yeah, this one was mine, by the way.